If your bank account isn't growing as fast as you'd like, chances are you're making at least one of these money mistakes. And trust me, these mistakes are costing you more than you think. Today, I'm breaking down 3 common financial mistakes that are slowing down your wealth building, and how to fix them starting right now. The first mistake is lifestyle inflation, making more money but instantly spending more. You get a raise and suddenly you're upgrading your car, your phone, your apartment. Instead of growing your wealth, your expenses grow with you. The fix? Lock in a percentage of every income increase for saving or investing before you upgrade your lifestyle. Number 2, ignoring high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans can keep you stuck for years. Paying only minimums means you're working for the bank, not yourself. Attack high-interest debt aggressively. It's like giving yourself a guaranteed return on your money. And the third mistake is waiting too long to invest. Too many people think they'll start once they earn more. But the truth is, time in the market beats timing the market. Even small investments started early compound into something massive. Every year you delay is costing you future freedom. So those are 3 mistakes stopping your financial growth: lifestyle inflation, high-interest debt, and delaying investments. Which one do you think is holding you back the most? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips to grow your money and mindset.